Hi viewers, today I'm going to show you how to colorize and restore old photos using AI online tools, and trust me, the results are seriously impressive. Quick heads up before we start, every tool in this video offers some kind of free access, so you can try them out yourself. I'll leave all the links in the description below. And to keep things fair, I'm using the exact same damaged photo and the exact same prompt for every tool. First up, ChatGPT, the AI that claims it can do almost everything. But can it actually restore old photos? Let's find out. I'll upload the same image, paste in the exact same prompt, and here's the result. Alright, this is interesting. It keeps a classic, archival style look, which is nice. But the contrast feels a little flat, the skin tones look slightly lifeless, and overall there's less detail recovery. So yeah, ChatGPT did a decent job. But what about something built specifically for photo restoration? Next, let's try HitPaw Online Old Photo Restoration. Before online version, I also highly recommend HitPaw FotorPea itself. It's a super useful AI photo enhancement software with even more powerful restoration tools and customization features. Now let's back to online version. First, import the old photo. The AI automatically detects the face and selects the appropriate restoration and upscale models for you. After waiting just a few seconds, wow, take a look at this. The face is much clearer, the scratches are almost completely gone, and the overall image quality looks dramatically improved. Now look over at the left side menu bar. This time, we're going to select the colorize model. And, wow! Isn't that amazing? Which one do you think did the best job? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to try these tools yourself, check out the links in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.